Gamente meteder megulu city tek yop meleyulam igwiri pirwa bor manyen magiti area man ita yop mayus mitli magamente miyo meilo boma don ikeneti municipality kachel ki city abayar botin gwiri man magibiti ye gulu city kidong jemo kene mapol man report madon matipiriti ni yop melo gange mochin eni mabirni hayewi madiro.
At least the one thing for now we can all agree on is the soap to use. He likes that it's big and lasts long.
Anti-economy.
I like that it keeps my skin smooth. Ate alina echovu. And the children like that. It smells amazing. Everyone is happy. Movit soap comes in 4 fantastic flavors. Movit family soap is truly soap for the whole family.
Movit. All day confidence.
Gamente meteder megulu city ubchako tit miliyola megwiri pirwa bor mukene manyen magitie city nieni.
Matino mo ni petie ding yo mo keken ma wa ye no mi ding
Otiat Chekere Health Center tu mati ya Patch District otionongo shilling million mia chel piar bor wia beach megedo ot mekonyo moni kare menyual man maternity ward.
Nearest health center, the nearest health center 3 that you can go for maternal and child health services is Teboke.
Afoyo rini, afoyo ketne iwan luo television kombeno yup melorange mochin meta nyim koar ke kore anya Sunday akumo tine changwen nildwe apaw ya rio medremi ya rio emwa alibario kipier rio ya bichel. Gamente meteder megulu city ucharo yobe megedo gwiri man liyela megwiri piru wa bor magiti city man ite yob me usmid mano chaika choke palotela kene utit pagamente megulu city maote mechi and dekla wu ni keyboard room matie man kabir meka choke madit matie mekarke kare and ni city man lo dirme city ben gorwate kiluak megwiri bongole ngama meki wekenen kitme nongolo komchuli pian dana mokene Pegitika yeni ngom guidio kati dakpene poli futamti guidio kabeno mior guidio kare yeni awa kenene ke bel pinka chaka menyamutam ke jomaki owa tele mekeno bet peka cheke chakati kom guidio maki en meliu yelam gen guidio piru aboro matiba dekla ibi division kidong pechela road division wengiti city miguruni wanen kong lokman matuti kom download enikibot Ismail Jacob Jones.
Gulu City taken city marama pa mele Uganda maguno kon melimo akibot World Bank megedu gudi ite project me husmin kom kan lot me Gulu City gitika yupe me jolo project mukene magentieni kibigetu gudi manyen Pierre Rio ya bohorom alfedu kwa mati me Gulu City o wajini me project magentieni biter makabit nenu gi madiet ki kero gudi abin
kwa mati no mo ni petie ding yo mo keken ma wa ye no mi ding Gulu City yo duju mi roberi kama ti were ti gi chen ba wal ba ma be amero wacho botu bene ni ti chen duju the projects material building yo piara we bo ni kata bo ma beach ketia ento me o ni le piara we bo me dueni na watia go yub duju me design me yo ni eni kibana watia yub duju me no chente kiborjo me walba me yo eni duju gen magadong ene ye tender
okwa omila bole ekom gudi brother Elio kiben ochan road matiba degele division ojak Philip Louis Otiram Lower Churchill Drive ki okiri Daka Moy Road ma wengti la ro pede division
che level work kama guri te kare numero win lo politik ma pagamete ma da mio bobu win lo politik ma meku jo mati ko du ju bene o cha ko ge ya ko be pe ko nene don lo mate bi Gulu City ni pe o bal o mo te da kara bi o ko lo don lo be ma pe Gulu City mirna tieni Gulu City miro o mede kitelo yo kienna titichen pa walba ma be lo ke Uganda
en chiki gen matek to ka che gudi man ke yobo obo lago ner me gulu sitim
yo duju ma biti ye yo ti duju ma wati yo ma bi ma te ga bena nim ana mi ta tiet ti che wen ma be ma kama World Bank kare chente no ti che dom tiemu le amiaro wati bol wa me gulu siti jo ma te nya duju yo ma biti ye ti yo kya rio ya bor ma yo ne eni chake tien me o chimbarja no watia o report o duju no sa meeting o mi o ko du manano lo me yo guri ni eni consultant o bet kero e kane o jo me World Bank chente ki mi kero ya pore
Patrick Ola Lumumba matime ame badige Levi Division wadoni tiki gan matek total ni project me World Bank opo konyo kelo alaga igudi matie kabir mamege
ba de la yibi don ni de malo kete na yu mo kene ke yu chi tu chao indo don ba de la yibi for example yu man ma do ni popo ini na down tu chao ke de ma don mi dukan chap down chao chat magiri ke che de chu te on lo ya no ke chao chao ba bier me du bien ma tie il mo ma ke do pere so e oni bokonya mada mi yapo ken city me no yamo mi don lo and muta ma pol bana bi konyo traffic pe muta ma pol ma ngolo ke custom kona kumbe dum bi ngolo dum chio tu wala chu te lokani dum pe be mi bi ga yido na na yo ma de custom kona
hena wadini meno ba de Levi Division peguno gudi mapol ikara me project me wiya tine
ka wot ka bo kena mi rodong me ka piero jimi ma chelo yen mo we o pin bero ngi ka bo kena mo bero mi ka line sewage ki line ka dede after wo mi ne yo in wing be agonya pien ko ba ti plan de wan ko ken ti plan e pro tieno wa di kwai wa ki di kwai mi gudu siete ma bi de ma be bien ka di meno pe wo mi ne di mo di ma bien chi ko chang blame wan ne ka ni jo ne chingu no chente ke bot World Bank pinga wo yo ma de ding ta do duong ko mi ne u be ki foch ni jo ne ching ka ma me ku no chi bot World Bank u yi po yo ma like
project man and tiki gen bukela laga ma tiktran e division man dok ben u dwa wa wel mutaga magetiyo ke gudi ma cherla cho tutale kabir me custom kona gudi mo kene ma ben ki bigetu te project man tie ye mama kev Okelo, Bishop Wani, Auma Nora, Philip Achaye, Princess, Ulaum, Alex Ujera, JB Abem, Obira Ludat Kachil Kisanta Ovoya Road, Ikin Mokenem, Ismail Jacob Jones, P1 Luo Television, Igulu City.
Ingetia ko yog me bolo kui mo teme mwagani eni kimiyo luno bolo chuma ko karakui ki jomo gana pe ko karakui me chunga chilwa kitika chila mwa pora wakikel don lobo pedang magiti ya Moro District luoma no katika remeka choke mo beruti ki lokombe beru kidonga choke parodier mo ken mo beruti ya Moro District ineno kit makui man wor kwede area ni eni Proskovia chama tila koinko RDC ma Moro owene pira tangomon kitika chele wek wakalo kompat de karman adega me kui mo beruti ndo mior kilo ko chindano wek karman ke chaktit mabedo tole pedano magiti ya duon mameki man ya Moro District David Magere ober kuno eni kachoke man wanen ngongo mauti mikidong mok palotela tiningo metich pedano magiti itedero ya Moro District
Gilego luchun wibie kilwak mapapat me ya Moro District dong me mako teach dok teach kacheli karman makwido tumwakani pienene gin mapira tek lo duchu ikwo palakin gang nyopi anywele me Uganda luo man kono aki office pa DG nyo Resident District Commissioner me Moro District inge kwi kono mautum fuda tumani i district meno Proskovia acham tie la lopko RDC me Moro District kono mi luo man i di kwi meno ki inge kwi ne pia tek tutwale lwak madong gyo karo kwi ke joma upor kwi guti ka chel pian petie kit kony mo ke ken ka che fudano tela
especially for the peace. People were anticipating this to be a very violent election. But I want to thank so much Electoral Commission for being very transparent, for making people happy. I don't think anything has been done in secret. Unless otherwise you have to bring it here, but I thank all the candidates. My appeal to you, we all know that we have voted excellently and massively for the president. And as members of parliament, we are no longer going to go to parliament as FDC, as NRM. We are going to have service delivery to our people. Let us bury the differences. For those who have lost, always in a game there is losing and there is gaining. Let's pray God gives. Today it is him or her, tomorrow it's you. Let us bury all these differences. Let us serve our people and let us move together for the development of our own.
Bosco Okumu tie won kom magier manyen la kang sub county kono jolo luoman kitman
ke non gin mara dai be bodo widwa mu ken ma wana bera piem ke gine ku don ka don lojo do ne ade ko dan we mi du we ot ko tie wuru ke do akwa da kang sub county ko ne run kin do la kang sub county gin mara ne ro ma re bi bodo akwa ma won kom ma be kom ma po be kar me chen ene ke ne we non pi Petit mabe iwa parises mukane odo pi wa pe kede nero na tie within wa kachien mano ane bere man nyo cha ken mano for pia o no wa bene ni pio mingo area eroni kidong cha ken wa tigi feeder roads community access road kumbe no wana ndo kani la kan sub county de petit mabe atiki ken kile yie ni wo ke yar ma tiki chok ga metene ki won pa ma pin ma te ga metene wana bi ko mi ne yo wa ma tira kin pachi wa furu ben mabe o ko ndo akwa ma agi kin pachi bibini yo kama ke twarno e kwany ma age bogamente
ino kumukono beno tiaro kitma kwi o kar kwere dok yup ma mege pe luak met la kang sub county district meno
I said bottom machara la kang wana bedo ite FDC ene bero kadorwa ento ni woki 2021 to 2025 madon ko betika tumi madon yema nyela biro eni wa kwa mira kango neno kuno ni bere party mama pat in pagamente pebe in lokene kene sub county muka ni wen non wen ti ana NRM an jem pagamente ma pol betika chero be kuno me lwak ma chan me da kan sub county mo ko tam gani an ma ti te pa NRM me na chero ga bet chok gamente a ber ki kar mi ku be we ko jem mon ma no gamente me ni o ma be ara ga bol lwak ma kar du yuko be watigi Marivani project mado cha ko tich lwak ko ne we project pagamente o ti ma be no mer ngan ma ti te pa NRM ber kene mo won ko mi a beach ti NRM donc tiel do kane pera tag ni won family attack be no mi bet ngan ma no ti te pa NRM line mi ti jo won ma be
kit meno bene Edward Muchibi mati won ko magier madek me attack town council kono o terne pera tag to tolo mergiti ka chel kari beti kar me kwi yo wich oberutie
ka ini ne kit ma wana ti pere kit me kwi mera pe oberu yo tutwal ma inoni on pa wan machal flag bearers no wa poke ho me no jo muken ti kare ko independent den jo muken ti kare ko flag bearers an nero na tieni we dik ma wana bi tiar ga tiyo na pilwa tiche mar be tiyo ma tek yene no tam wa gi mir wa tiyo ma pat ma lupe gi candidate ma no ngar chela chelo be ka do ne pat ma chalu tela wana bi nero ni wa be ri kienwa wa yenyo yo mo beti mo kija kienwa we ko ti balwa ne po be yo tutwan
inoni kwi memwaraman koni ya mor district otumo maroma kivu Uganda duchu eniendo angwen medwe ma ariyo memwaraman kama giyero LC series maroma power ya dek sub county za power ya dek mapapat mati district meno donc luon palu diru magi me district kono kijo magi dor yomi yub me ye uye ne lwak mer ko chak tika chel me don do ikinje muken ma pera tak pe lwak lo gange wan luo TV David Magere ya Moro district
Odlega Medini Katolika Etegulo Archdiocese ite yubwana magiliwani mono St. Bakita Anti-Human Trafficking Network Uganda ngengo kwa yanil paleng Bakita kabengo berikea ma yopo jema kena pigi tego ako ya rolwenyi ko mawon man kiliwani mono human trafficking nyoma kadame guwakane wiyali yo machekpe ye ndagmana butime guwakato erpadano mkuno gulo Archdiocese ayo bodor we yupni enim yup man kechaka kelega dagweno keldama pol mako berikea keno dirga ligamente lutela dini chore kedong dan mken mage par pilo kom don lubo weke nyam tam kachelo kom lueni kom matime makadane gwageni we liman human trafficking matima poli karimani komalo melo Uganda. Panen report ni keyboard Johnny Sani Uchagachon eno berutie ibade kala ibi division mani gulu cathedral kama kachoke man oberuye eni ya chake mechabit man.
I was listening to my daughter.
Pera maluti gino tutwale kagu donya dokti chikabel mapat tutwale ilobo Uganda jomagichero woro gino puti madit tutwal meto wai Uganda kany mainuni jomeno gino chan male mano wero gulu asdices ka chel kidul mukene gukate nano kidma kiroma joko kere pera machalo kidman Sisters Emerita Mbambu matie ete dulme Sisters of Holy Cross dog director Missing Bakita Anti-Human Trafficking Network in Uganda uterone pera me human trafficking tiedit ikin pachi mameroni omiero lutela dini ka chel kilutela pagamente gurip chingi me konyo jeko pera man.
We need to unite. We need to come together and fight this vice. Because we are used of having hospitals, schools, but we are neglecting this social challenge in our society. And people are perishing. People are committing suicide. We are having so many cases. When someone doesn't have someone to listen to him or her, then they end up committing suicide. Statistics continue to show that women and girls from Uganda are among the most affected. Yet today, as we gather under this theme, we are reminded that each one of you present here is called to be an ambassador of hope and freedom for victims of human trafficking. Like Saint Bakita, we cannot remain silent in the face of suffering.
Sister Taibe Medaini hadu dulpa sister me komboni mirne umiergi fun lutian matiteno we gunge lokman pien mirgi fuduong dokwena manu miero kichwal igain kwan kikabero mukene mapat.
Tell our young people, never get tired to tell our young people there is nothing sweet, nothing beautiful, nothing constructive than staying in one's own country and struggle to make it. They can't make it. But going especially to the Arabic world, we have heard enough experiences how painful it is, and painful also to help them recover their lives. So let us join hands, move to the schools, move to the parishes where we find young people and create awareness of the danger, as my sister said, of this terrible monster. Thank you very much.
Darma nyeo nongeni Jacqueline keken ngad ma wori perman oterni polutiana nyera ayegino perma loyo chiumiero no nyoro ngu yabwangi e kom lutiano gi.
I would like to advise the community that those agents who come and seduce us that there is a born person man abroad, it is not there. The only thing is there is overworking, being sexual harassed and being tortured anyway, mental and physically. So there's no man abroad, just stay in Uganda, get skilled and work for yourselves.
And your message to the parents maybe?
Parents, I advise you to always stay by your children's side. When someone tells you something that I want to do this, please try to advise them and be on their side and be supportive to your children. If my mom would say no, and if she supported me, but I don't blame her because she didn't have also, I think I wouldn't waste now much of our resources because now finally she sold the land and I came with nothing.
Akamba ami leluko RCC Megulu City wajani mana yekare botwa me amalo ripuching luany ikumpero machalo man.
As a community, it is the responsibility of us all. I am happy for this foundation, St. Bathika. I'm very happy for the youth ambassadors. Very, very happy for many others that rise up at this critical moment for us to fold in our sleeves and fight this big enemy that is threatening to tear us apart, to destroy the future of very many brilliant people. The duty, the role is for all of us.
Pero man fu dit ikin piny mamiro ni umiro luak mete der wu ya wangi yo melweny e kum pero man takara chel jwayo ne ki kaberu wa Piwan Luo TV Juni Sani uchaka chon Igulu City.
Poet Madit Bot Juni Sani uchaka chon pekeleo report Mwakigulu Archdiocese konyo lweny megwoko twer panywale Uganda. Kawawero lovacholi wadire lao chegere man Otiat Health Center 2 mati ya patch otionongo chiling milion 100 ya beach megedo ward menyoru pamon man matenti ward manyen man bene Otiat man bokona matek miyokono yirkomati Dakiti kin Otiat Tebo Health Center 3 kidong Kidilani Health Center 3 matibo pingme kilomita piari kiwie enikin kabedo magini gengiti kin odiyara bichel magiti ya patch makimir matek kimet wamgi karman wek jinker gami kon mayot kompidano magiti kin gang tit magir man kimi bodul makiloni mon SB Engineering Limited dok yobman otimele wo jandek wanen kibo just by gwel entry ya patch municipality man gedo wood pamon manual e Otiat Chegere Health Center 2.
Chegere Health Center Ario meti gomala me Chegere Yapa District kin wuri yen Health Center Ario gina bichela meti Yapa District ame rwa merti amita yela doko Health Center de anti kom karman gamente por berger karme moko data man na merwa merko poti ping dok pot peti kom tuwe moga me miro Health Center de hotel ame ati Chegere kono medikere men meti Orian man gin kono berger kare meti to pekya me tuo nu teder me kunaje nu ngo chala dogi me pe Oriat Health Center de area man.
The nearest health center 3 that you can go for maternal and child health services is Teboke, which is about 18 kilometers away from here. Then another one is up to Kidilani, about 20 kilometers away from here, very far away. And yet we have mothers around here who are supposed to get services of maternal and child health.
And this was making our mother to deliver from home, of which is not good.
And then one to wear more tino can, no tina rio, among all of the person, a chiel, carmerman, yatonal, diesel dose, among meo, a tina pocarta, vera no more to carpa. Mario, a tin no amountelo, among no putting in a bishara down on Yalma, Pasu. One of me and hepatitis B 0 dose and mechanical.
In charge, identify the reasonable birth attendants, let them be our referral focal point person for pregnant mothers. Talk to them, let them be referring those mothers to the facility so that they can deliver. They can also start ANC.
Chegere Health Center 2 has a population of 13,066. And Chegere in a week, we can see like 100 to 150 clients in a week. When we come in the MCH or maternity clients, we only handle antenatal care and emergency deliveries. And in a week, we can get like 50 to 60 pregnant mothers. And in a month, we can get like 165 to 200. And that is a big number.
Benni Orian man gamente perber karmen mo komedo ko Health Center dek ento telama pa district kom karman ukati dong chati mujema ko amemio Orian man ko njo irwam me pekapapat ibeo gero kunaya ornwalamon ame bino terlim amero million mechel ipier borwe big gede man ame dijere kono bino berkat duera deke kente tum ko ye kun company me SB Engineering Company Limited enamo berkat karmen me yotijman Dr. James Dongo amo berkono DJ Oma Paj sa mo pira ran me punya ke riot kom dok ke chinga dek en lo ka ka won ko ma bij ma pa kar me do titer bot contract man jona lo kota mo bera chitan RDC ma pa mo bera tie kuna gen ko ne goyo lao dong bot contract me jakoti hotir ni manano.
This will not be enough to do all the components that we need for a maternity. But this is the process that we have started to upgrade this facility from level 2 to level 3. And this money is under Primary Health Care Development Fund. And these days we call it Primary Health Care PHC Development Performance Part, which is provided by government of Uganda. So this is not a donation. It's money that is coming direct from the government coffers. It was given to Apache District local government and appropriated by the leadership of this district during the planning and budgeting for financial year 2025-2026.
To put the roof, we are going to put the windows, we are going to put the external doors. Other finishes will come in the second phase. Basically the floor, the painting, the glazing, and eventually handing over the completed project. Basically you have only 3.5 months to complete this work.
We have the working documents. The BOK is there, the specifications to guide us what to do. So we shall try with our level best to follow exactly what is in the specification.
Give the community of Chegere what they deserve. I want to emphasize on quality of work that you're going to deliver here on ground, because that one we shall not negotiate.
I'm not so much impressed, DHO. Much as won't pay me on the contracts committee, engineering department, I'm not so much impressed. Locking in Chala will deal with contract and idea. SB engineering, because Canada direct American comment, Pino being site and over. You cape Joe Moro Dio contract idea. Cape man going on it. Kitu kidogo je pili wori pe hata yo chamo contract no chini pe como to have been site no pe. I'm trying to think loud like that. Pegina ko temere, I'm just thinking loud. Kao temere obero corruption. Now contract pe temere Uganda ba marbe Uganda gino ke temere. Kao temere kitu mono about at your own risk, because one is sticking to BOQ, no at BOQ.
P1 television just like well Yapa district.
Ikwani ya district megomo magane piarangwenu ya dek aginesa nyao tika bero magwako lotina bichel kene enti ya chut village kabero mati ya pire parish man ya Dogo sub county tika inokony me shilling million piru abij me konyo enti kanongo yao ichogo piere mani ojat kumi orthopedic center mati kumi district anyao mati lotina bicheli dok aki kagara kongoda eno chaka winyare maleti dwemeri mamukat niyo watinore metamera ochera yat madit malere ke wani mono merkenen ke koke yao kong chogo pier pen chogo no gwenye wa merke yup en ki odiat chogo mati kumi district ento ke miro shilling million piru abij metimo titman weko konyot kome Gentleman anyao pe kermane ngono weko katika bake mane okon bot lube kipidano mokene margira mokonyo en la George Pawanlu TV Solomon Okavo olimo pajo panyao en kelu report kum konyman miro kidong kit makwana tikare man malupe kiarem ma enno ma tekto chwale ipiere ikare ni ini.
Agnes Anyao mwakapira ngwenu ya dek atadero machot apire Paris igombola duru nyahadele Reverend Tom Omono tiametu million piriu ya beach mewore ya idahatal kumi Anyao torotena bishel aten kich nyajo arako ngoda ochaho nungarem idwe mari yoe mwahokaro tuwa mocha harchalo tuwa tipa
ochaho winyo komi malaria ni beru malaria chame otere dahatal dangote twiti malaria la mau te bera pe tiani do te mi ada pe buat enda do tiani do te to ka ti du kom ke ken ka dong piara do te chako dum winyu piara do te tere health center to woto to menyo chao menyo eno to ko bi balti kene shogo piara to ko be health center ko ni amo chen million piara bi ne tere kare kum da hatal do kwanya ko do gan pashukan tia winya rema track ka pedo la
anyao tia tango chie boto ber twin
chen ni an para no ta hera pera no jai pashu wada pera no yen pashu ni be ana pera tin kisiya ngator ke ken tia chui kama petia ta hera pera no chen ni ana tia kwa ni wi yamo kere wi lo baloro konya kere chen ni million piera bicha ma ko awat kere kum we hawara no cha
midi omono dahoto toranyao pe kere gupu menung million piero beach metero nyar dahatal iyonge to achware Reverend Tom Omono
no dwanga no ber reverend mara we ka tina aboro mati agwoko nyaha duong ene na metuo mahoni metika na tag tua nyaha ni ber winyu ka tiene ber koko tiene tera yele kere tere dahatal ti dahatal kuna shen tiene no la mara berpe doctor te ko bani amit million piaro wa bi ko ba kom chino ko buri challa wa papet chata ma kwar ni te chata meri tenung million piaro wa bi na mali chani ti do ti pashu era do ti kwayo kon che haber chunyor tie ram konya kere konyoro me ababa kere pijo me ti kere chuny me konya kwayo jani nama meramo tunu kere borene ti not abiro bisiel not abongwen chiel ngwen bongwen ti 07609114449
bileo ojok tie jago mara kungode amelo gombola duho
kwachwate bedo bota tekere me kobene mano bela tin ma tekere you're not ching ye meneno ne tere dahata la mitte na weg wen wod mong chao na tekere da ugamo danga mara chere tia wora nyim ento gupu mere lo ana tekere mara kungode ko eno mi kwachwa do tiene katwere otichoba konywa me kubowa me we chente manu ere we hanyaka ne wod mong chao dahatal
dong wan chali tekere ne ni gupo me tuoni lawa ko dong mi tu kwayo be chuny wore diere or me tuturo kena chunyi winyo gino kena me chunyi bara mutele kere were ti chenne ti diel ti gino kena me ram konywa kere en mi wando ti tango jengwa un ngato kena me ram konywa me we atini nung chao chalo enang pudiot
pe ngato ken ame winyo kede chwiny me konya nyao twero chwalo chente inamachim not abiro abishel not abongwen achiel angwen abongwen not abiro abishel not abongwen achiel angwen abongwen ochoye kede nying ma pili mili tora nyao amut pe wan luo television Solomon Okabo Ikwania District
West Nile ki Zombo District lotela makiti gamente guchiero matekni mon kinene mon ki loko kier matek makimiyo bod party enre mikar mikuino loko dogin mapira tek makimiyo kony manen kungkung kidong jim ken mapigi tego manti dumer kitim pidan mekin gang ilok bolo cholo angelo tela makiti Zombo District going gemiyo chwak madito chol bod President Joel Museveni e district kunu no kui percent piar bore bichel kabene polo tela makayero gini kawa patu wengo birtilo tela makuchu te party NRM metadong ni mono kui mano kala duke ni mabe pidana makin gangi Zombo District John Paul Opeyo tikuno luwa konyor tamgi loko medorompa odi yedi ni yake kinetie paida Health Center 3 omedola ko dok Health Center 4 kin jemu ken mapigi tego dano miro gudi kidong jemu ken mabejo medonlobo
Inge miyo kwirni government pa NRM pirabora uyabusel widak juro Zombo District be kwa government eni niloke ni tit
ka waneno od yath mwa makawoni itiengo od yath malenga kesha etie od yath mutie level mi Health Center 3 maka ineno yo population mipidho town kawuoni okadho level pa od yath ma eni dong abe yenyo niya ene niya kokoro e timo iwa piny moku maber mudok ithenge pa od yath mikum jibe wacho niya ka dhano pere kumgi yot then gichopo timo lembe madongo.
Onega Innocent mutie LC adek mubeshiwe kutish kawoni yani uweshu kumae.
But why must we give more votes, and at the end of the day, when it comes to national cake, we are left behind. We are at that letter Z. We are at the bottom. To me, there's something wrong somewhere. There's something wrong somewhere which must be addressed. This time, we are talking with one voice, whether you are NRM, independent, or other, you are affiliate to other parties. What we want is the tarmac road, so that we also see that what we are giving has not been taken for granted.
Ringto Hassan Mutie District Speaker, Mizombo District Bende, uachu yani ya paidotie kuromanong makujumede mi municipality chona keta ente ginge ongole mbango mubejai.
This time around we expect a full payback in terms of getting municipality of this particular town council of Paida. Paida Town Council meets all the requirements to become a municipal council in terms of infrastructure, the development plan, all those factors are met. But unfortunately we are always denied, I don't know why. So this time we expect the government, the president to give us a payback in terms of giving us municipality status so that it can create job opportunities to our children within here.
RDC Mizombo District aikobwa Festus Bende okwa government pa NRM ni melo kukwirma jumio eni itish man ni timutish matira Bende.
Excellency President means that we have already a gap. I mean we have already now bargaining power. In case you want now the road, you want any other program to come to Zombo, the bargaining power is now there. For all of us to really say, Mose, but you remember even in the sub-region, we had done this. Why don't you also appreciate us? And we have ever had him at times saying that he can also distribute, he will always distribute according to what we have given to him.
Ibolo kwirni ndumukada nget, Paul Padana Mokadu tie party mi NRM kende man bende i party mangegi ngata shell kende okado i party minuk NK i ward councillor kende. P1 Luo TV, Opio John Paul, Izombo District.
Avoid tuale nene report mo akibot John Paul Opio ki Izombo District, manwen futi karbotin ki yup milorangi mo juin. Ikodiere milobo Uganda ngat ma ocharo dok beno tila kwat maditi Miracle Center Churchman Robert Kayanja tino jola matek wele mo aki Vision Group ngan motelo wigin ayo berusi o Don Wanyama tima mego chero kono kalimo en odlekaman menyoto kit bene chato pi yup matika bino man makoma concert ma dul man Vision Group ko yopi kwer maka piara ngwen madong guti yukwere pilobo Uganda kwe man obutime kadong concert ma beauty bakolo enindo abichel mediomi adek man dwe manyen ikar man gitika wat kabeno pol mamiyo kono chwak wekene dama pol gobelte yobman chato pi makoma concert timni oberutie bod Pastor Robert Kayanja wanen gong report man kore yop man akibot Vision Group. Neno dwe abichel mediomi adek mwagane eni ba ko lobo pongu ye wako pijama kimel charkanan lo wema ki Kongo magaweru welega man Makoma Group. Iyup man netie mekwero maka piara ngwen madang Vision Group goberu kwereka titi lobo Uganda ot pokolo kange madit matiga jere mapole radio kidong television kijem ken mapola tame poko ngech bota nywele Uganda kon bene karo chero we lobo mukenem. Tini enila dit maloyo Vision Group man Don Innocent Wanyama ochero ka limo Pastor Robert Kayanja kiwele muken mapol magochero kwedgi Miracle Center Cathedral kaneno ken miluongo gin mechero kibene konyo gin me oto chwak mapol ikamyup me Makoma concert mabutime iba kololoni. Ikar mago konyo Pastor Robert Kayanja yolo gen kilega madit tol kun foyo loba Peyo madong Vision Group tikwet ke jima pol magen gitimo me poko ng'ich bota nywali Uganda. Makoma Group tiye dul palo wele ka palo pacho ma kikongo telo meko kiumego magiwero kachel. Mea gikimgo o Uganda obedo mara piere wiya bich ang'ich dok mantie duogi madit pia nywali Uganda. Pijo magimiero chero kaneno yup manik jo magitimiero wilo tiket wel malip piera bich alip 100 kidong alip 250. Kache imiero pango nyobene penyo choni ke gwak botin mecha meberu te yup man iramo goichim inamba not abiro bicha boro abungwen abichel abichel. Pelo rangi mo chwiny e Wanlu Television. Ania Sunday Akumo. Kawawero lobo Uganda wakaro wako igang kwan man University madit mati Daka lobo Senegal Chaik Anta Diop University Karmando don woko non lutin kwana politi dak wako pajo ingerucho biltik lutin kwan kia bilo kiloto palatin kwana chel Ikarama rotin te dok chen gang wek tele umior bet bere lo dire magiti gang kwan ko weno umior rotin dok chen gang wek pinyo kwe mot latin kwana chele Demba na Gwel Diallo owe iye pe yomni te dok chen paj kun gamente o kwe harome limbo lo tien kwan makino kon kibot gamente kwan menon man scholarship mamione gemi bot gen lime kono gen beru te gang kwan kinong wil jem keno pigi tego mekwo meneno duju wanen kong report ni kombiti. Lotino kwan mapol legitimaran kobologe wako beru no mo tigang Kalpa University madit Lois Senegal kijwe chwin pingri dok wako pa jinge jemo to gemaliet ka okelo to palatin kwan achil dok utero belnien mapol ichabit ni ene. Latin kwan manyebo baka waeni mwana nena ka abili ubirka goe lotino kwan mapol dok ya gikine okelo to ka bene jimo ken mapol dano go wane ye okelo wo madit. Chal video man nyoro abili mapol mano gitikono mago gwake kache tang ki jeme joko awano mekene komgi gobera goe latin mo matira ubi mauno po rogo chati komeki batun mano entika dange matek. Penino mapol jema beruti gangkwan makeloni Check Anta Diop University man UCAD malotin kono bera medicamento chulgin tiendo mior ginong piberu pigin lotin kwan magamento chulugin magitiki scholarship. Lotin kwan magiti anywele Senegal pumang mapol kuber kadneno kit meloken pipero man ento pol kare kele ye jema madit kin luket shiritich kidong en gen lotin kwan my university man. Temger mano chake cheng bara chaka okelo to platin kwana chil mano ti kwan ne mwaka marione ti kwan no bero dakta pebene getiar ngoy ko moti me ento doi kar majemo tuge matek rucho berutie ikina bili kilotino kwanni. Wabaka wane nekolutino kwan yulatin kwan mai kendi tuan char kile wichbot lobo del chol dok mano mier poti me eno beruti kilotino kwan makar pier dek mo bera koro bach me dok cheni gangi mati matam region man ikomalo me Senegal. Nina Rio ingetim German ping oldo pie campus me UCAD kama lotian kona pol gitika dok wako chen pale penki lor wako pony me ken pere kabene dogola madit medone gangkwan ni tie lora. Lotian ma pol gu dok chen pale penge awe magibedu kere chen kakwan piene pe ya getero lok moiken. Karibe lotian kwan mo kene go berka gore nyim kabero me kwan madit meno ma pol legiti choko jem gibe dok chen pale bon ya wene ma kwan dok bedu kere chen. Itiario e karim lakilo cholo kange ya kibir kaleko ni mon kinene ke loko matek dok bene gamento yeni mo toplatin kono beru ching malit dok bene nyuro ni mono abili otiyo ke kero mau karo lajo. Ento bene karame lakilo cholo kange man minister pikop mapajo Mohamadu Bamba Sise owani mono pier no rwate bene giti kero maket me konmutino kwan ni genno gitike mier me baro jema pol man mapigi tego me ponye en e university ni eni. Pe Wanlu Television Ania Sunday Akumo. Dul Maduro to Dilo Africa Man Confederation of African Football CAF Yomatek Gutero Dong Chako Limo Kabirima Bojolo to Rome AFCON 2027 Man Pamoja Beat Mati ye Uganda Kenya Kidong Tanzania Geno Bojolo to Rome Laditmo Aki CAF Limo Kabiru Mati Uganda Kidong Tanzania ki Kenya Gente Kaneno Rompa Batu Hotel Majolo Wele Yo Man Gudi Kidong Badege Kin Mukena Pola Tam Wanen Kibot Anthony Papera Iupe Pijolo Turume AFCON 2027 East Africa Man ite pamoja bid.
Tutemi jolo African Cup of Nations mwakali wario ke piru bero ma Uganda, Kenya kachel ke Tanzania ena bi jolo turuman madit mi lobo del chole tie kamete irwa mala dada ikar malu dir madon magu binu ke CAF man dul malo turu lobo del chole ko weng gen gu binu lobo Uganda, Kenya kachel ke Tanzania menginu kadong yupene te irwa mal piani gina gingi ma pera terlo ene lokum kaburu lokum yo kidong ba dege mano ka dege binu wele ramo pie mano anywana mo ken pere CAF dul madoro turo lobo del cholo ko wengu beru ka nginu ba mate Tanzania meno Benjamin Mkapa Stadium, Samia Suluhu Stadium, Aman Stadium, Kifumba Stadium kade lobo Kenya giber ka nginu Kasirani Stadium, Nyayo Stadium kadong Talanta Sports Stadium meno ba ma tika yupe mi jolo turo man me African Cup of Nation ma dit dong tieni ba ma tika mi jolo turo weng dong nen chalo gitia tara ento ba metemo tien nyo metemo training pa team matika bino food piti ready la bolle chala Uganda kany ba matia ready nyo matia tara mi jolo jomo mero tukuman metemo tien ge nyo temo training ene ye ba manongen Chambuko University kidong minambole stadium manotiki teng ba wahoni moku berutie kononi ba manonge di Gulu City meno ba peje ma yuek matek tutwale di boma diet mi Gulu City ni en beti ba magbi yumetimo training ka chiel ke Gulu University ground meno ba paloteno kwan Gulu University ma beregi moko ni en be beratera mi jollo turoman mi African Cup of Nation chalo mi ba training Lira University beno mi ba ma megi mi temotien wekara no yopu beri standard mabe mano jo magubino giramo temi ye training ye ka chiel ki Akiba Stadium magitika yupone dong pe bo tum ento furi tie nyorne pia tum dul matika konyo kitme yupu ba egini ko weng UPDF Engineering Brigade gen go wayne mi oedwe ma pa me mwakali urege piro bichele ni no ba ma gen ge chikene ge bi yubo no ge yubo te atera me jolo dul dano e kono weng mi tu African Cup of Nation mwakali wario piro bero Luoro tieni African Cup of Nation gimar dirno wa mahali wario ke piru boro ento la dit malo wituri Africa ko weng meno CAF president Patrice Motsepe o waini diru turu mo ekana beberu pere pienne ginno ngi yoperon mi mahali wario ke piru boro African Cup of Nation tuke ci dagno gi cerdong gi tour ngi ma angwen tien lokeni Uganda Kenya ke Tanzania mahali piru bero gibit yupe mi jolo turman kado tour mi mahali wario piru boro meta nyim kadenge meno African Cup of Nation chako bino i angwen Uganda futgite ke bari o ken mabe maromo turu irwa market man ene Oima City Stadium kachel ke Mandela National Stadium nambole Anthony Papera pe One Luo TV
Lanen One Luo Television wa oya geki yup melorange mo chuni changwen matine ania sande akomo metekene na wa afuetone na yup melorange mo chuni kan kamano ngin mate galawang man One Luo TV